DogeCoin. DogeCoin is a cryptocurrency created by software engineers Bill Marcus, also known as Satoshi Nakamoto, a meme name that's similar to Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto, and Jackson Palmer, who decided to create a payment system as a joke, making fun of the wild speculation in cryptocurrencies at the time. It is considered both the first meme coin and more specifically the first DogeCoin. Despite its satirical nature, some consider it a legitimate investment prospect. DogeCoin features the face of the Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme as its logo and namesake. It was introduced on December 6, 2013 and quickly developed its own online community, reaching a market capitalization of over $85 billion on May 5, 2021. On December 25, 2013 though, the first major theft of DogeCoin occurred. Millions of coins were stolen during a hack on the online cryptocurrency wallet DogeWallet. For those who do not know, a cryptocurrency wallet is a device which stores the public and or private keys for cryptocurrency transactions. Basically, each user has its own unique address, which usually is a combination of letters and numbers, similar to the IBAN used in banks. The hacker gained access to the platform's file system and modified its send and receive page to send any and all coins to a static address. That pretty much means if, for example, you wanted to send your friend George 10 DogeCoin as a Christmas gift, even though you fill his DogeCoin address correctly, the DogeCoin never reaches George, and instead it goes to the hacker's DogeCoin address. Some people think, couldn't they just refund the users by taking the DogeCoin from the hacker and returning it back? Well, it's not that easy. You see, cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology does not work like the banking system. Meaning, if a transaction happened in the blockchain, it cannot be undone, because the system is decentralized, unlike banks or popular e-wallets. And in this specific case, it wasn't the cryptocurrency DogeCoin who got hacked, but Doge Wallet instead. DogeCoin then was worth $0.00059 compared to the Bitcoin $730 at the time. The 30 million stolen have been estimated to add up to about $12,000. This hacking incident spiked tweets about DogeCoin, making it the most mentioned altcoin on Twitter at the time, although it was in a reference to a negative event. To help those who lost funds on Doge Wallet after its breach, the DogeCoin community, including Ben Dornberg and co-founders Diego Perini and Brian Worley, who donated more than 1.1 million DogeCoins, started an initiative named Save Dogemas to help donate coins to those who had them stolen. Approximately 1 month later, enough money was donated to cover all the coins that were stolen. This was the first major hack that happened regarding an online meme cryptocurrency. Even though the cryptocurrency itself, DogeCoin, was not hacked, this hack on the very popular Doge Wallet negatively affected many users. Even though in this specific case, about 1 month later, enough money was donated to cover all the coins that were stolen, it's still a negative day on DogeCoin and Doge Wallet history. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to drop a like and subscribe to the channel to make sure you do not miss out on any new content. I would love to hear your views and opinion in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video.